Michael's and Amazon for the win, per usual. Spacing out how I want them. Remote controlled lights because our asses aren't going to be climbing up there trying to turn on each one individually. Drilling holes for the bottom of the candles that we're going to hot glue into there so they stay up. Gluing everything together and then trying to figure out some decoration on the side, which I will show you in a sec. Now that we have borders for all of the rings, now we can start gluing everything and putting on the decorations on it, which this one I just kind of came up with spiky thingy bobber. I like the shape, so that's what we went with. And now we have spikes all around with paper mache to complete it.
Off to paper mache.
My favorite part, painting, because that means that I finished making them. 2 coats of paint ought to do it. We're just gluing the bottoms so that we can change the batteries if need be. This was a pain in the ass. Measuring the chains to hold each level together. Didn't matter what we did, we still had to redo the measuring. James's makeshift holder before we actually mounted it. We used really strong fishing line for the top that would go into the screws in the already light that's in the hallway so that it would hold it. And I wrapped chains around the fishing wire too after we mounted it. Putting the batteries and the candles in one by one, and now we're done.
What if it's like